Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to confirm your Poco X7 actually has NFC hardware and a recent OS. This affects compatibility. Once confirmed, make sure the battery is above 20% and remove any bulky case or metal card that blocks the antenna. Now go to Settings, tap Connection and Sharing, find NFC and toggle it on. You'll see an NFC icon in the status bar when active. This tells you the phone is ready to read or emulate tags and to exchange data with other devices. With NFC enabled, you must configure what happens when a tag is detected. Go into the NFC settings and choose default behavior like tag reading or card emulation for payments. Install a reliable tag writer/reader app and allow required permissions such as NFC and location so the app can detect tags. Practice by tapping a mall information tag or using a contactless payment terminal to confirm the phone can emulate a card. This verifies both hardware and app settings are correct before real transactions. Finish by locking down payment apps. Set a secure screen lock and select your preferred NFC payment app in settings so transactions are seamless. Save tag profiles inside the reader/writer app and back up its data to avoid reprogramming tags. If something goes wrong, try the common fixes. Reboot the phone, toggle NFC off and on, remove the case and retry, and confirm the app has NFC and nearby device permissions. If it still fails, update MIUI or the app and test again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.